Good morning, Jamaica. Got the island behind me. Today is just a day at sea day for us. We might go and do a little shopping, but no planned activities. Lots of characters this afternoon, hopefully, and just some downtime. Slept in a little bit. Nothing really on the schedule. So yesterday was a good day, long day, fun evening at Palo. Walked around the shops a little bit afterwards, saw some characters, but today should just be a relaxing day. We'll see. Maybe some Aquaduck time. We'll see if I can get some video there too. Welcome to Jamaica. Wow.
She's proud of it. She smiled. Okay, all right, then let's go over to Anthony then. Anthony, can you tell us, is B13 on the card?
Yes, it is.
Excellent. Can we get another pirate joke, please?
Oh, you guys used all my pirate
No, we
jokes.
didn't.
I missed it. You have to say you have BO again.
No pressure.
Oh, what be a pirate's favorite Disney movie?
What's a pirate's favorite Disney movie?
Beauty and the Beast.
That was
You
something.
did use all my good ones.
Okay, here we go. Can we get the card number, please? Very nice, but can we make it to Pablo and Katie? Over to you. Tell us, is B13 on the card?
Yeah, it is.
Yes, it is. And tell me this, what is a pirate's favorite type of camera?
Oh, I don't know, Katie. What?
A cannon. Thank you. Can I get the card number, please?
Yeah, the card number is 129569.
129569. Let's take a look at the screen. That is the second good claim of bingo. Excellent. But do we have any other good BO claims of bingo on B13? Speak now or forever hold your bingo peace. Alright, then we're going to shut this game on down, then team, we're going to come on over to you here. Let's shut it down. Going twice. Where's the bingo? Out of here. And our two lucky winners are splitting our third cash payout of $233. Cha-ching, cha-ching. And Dean, we've got another pirate joke down here. Tell us.
What's your name?
Are we talking to people over the balconies? Is that allowed?
Luckily we're leaving.
It is a pirate night on the Caribbean. So let's have some fun. I'm not doing any of that funny business tonight. Let's have some fun.
Treads, scallywags, and buccaneers. Ye come seeking adventure and salty old pirates, eh? Well, you come to the proper place. Tonight, you be traveling in mysterious waters. Waters once owned by tales aplenty of pirates and the ones who hunted them. Some say when the night is right and the sea is willing.
Ahoy, mateys, and welcome aboard! Where be me pirates? If all of ye be worth ye salt and faithful before the mast, say aye! Oh, I heard ye had quite a day adventuring, but now is your time to do what pirates do best. Partying! And for those born of the sea, let's begin with the tradition of this celebratory song. A little ditty we call A Pirate's Life for Me. A Pirate's Life for Me! Join us as we sing along. The Pirate Valley. Oh, now this tune has itself a little chorus that goes like this. Oh, die-de-die-de-die-de-die-de-die-de-die-de-die. Now you. Oh, die-de-die-de-die-de-die-de-die-de-die. Very good. Now, I'll be coming to you to find out what we'll be singing our pirate ballad about. So I'll need a pirate helper friend now. Right here, nice and tall, my friend. What's your name? Jason, pirate Jason. And where are you from? Captain Dad, it's you! Of course it's me.
Another magical day on the Disney Fantasy. That's the end of day 9. Pirates Party was fun, lots of dancing, kids had a great time. Next up, one of our favorite places, Castaway Cay. Thanks for watching. Now for us, it's back to the rat race.